Okay, so now we just have to make sure that the head is ready to go to the shop. So let us make sure that we disassemble everything that needs disassembling. So starting off with this seal here. The one thing that I'm noticing about this this head so far is that there isn't any sort of Victorian sealer or anything of that sort. So I'm assuming that means I shouldn't put it when I put it back. Okay, so you have saved as well. I'm gonna be removing the cam. So my plan is to start with this one and then go to this one and then this one to this one and then this one, this one, this one, this one. So the first stage I'll just unloosen them and then without just undoing the whole thing. I know there will be experts in the comment section. I just wish you were here as and when I'm doing this to show me the right way. So right now the next step is to take this to the shop, have them replace the stem seals, do a leak down test, and then skim the bottom side so that it's flat, and then we can get everything back together and put it in the car. I think I'm at a point where I'm comfortable. I don't think I have to strip it any further. If I take a look at it on this side, everything is out. So I'll just take these two here. Set them down right here. Okay. Not sure if I should remove the studs, but I'm gonna leave them in here. This is how it looks on this side. And on the bottom.